Hello. The first thing I did was I rolled up a little bit of foil for his body, and then I mixed up some green with a little bit of white, kind of swirled it in there to give it almost a marbled effect. And I'm just going to go ahead and cover that foil ball with my green and white mixture. So this is a totally original monster. I just wanted to make something simple and fun for this week. So I'm going to give him very simple limbs, just these little stubby legs. I'm going to do the same thing, give him some very simple arms. But sometimes it's fun to make something that I can do, in an afternoon or part of an afternoon. I know it's very rewarding to make these big detailed pieces, but it's also rewarding to just do something simple and fun and be like, hey, look it, I made that, and I made that today. Now this guy looked a little bit short. I didn't want to make an actual head. I mean, I want him to have a head, but I want it to be kind of like a body head type, simple shape that way, kind of like this, pear shape almost. So I built up a little more clay there, used my ball tool to open up an eye socket. Yep, he's going to be a Cyclops, because why not? I have a couple of pre-baked teeth, and I purposely picked out ones that were different shades to give him these cute little buck teeth. If you're enjoying this content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. And be sure to turn on those notifications so you get that, little notification when I post a new video. Now for his eye, I just rolled up some, I think it's like a white pearl mixture. I have a container full of clay and I don't always remember what I mixed in, but it was kind of a white pearl. It wasn't just pearl, it wasn't just white, so I think it's white pearl. And then I used some black clay for the pupil. Now I decided I wanted to give him some kind of round, almost teddy bear type ears. So I just took a circle, used my ball tool to indent it, and then I'm gonna attach him to the side here. I think that looks pretty cute. I feel like he needs something else. I think he's a cute little monster, but I decided I think some orange would look good with him. So I thought, hey, why don't I do an orange mohawk and an orange tail? I think that would work really well with this green. I wanted to add just a little bit of texture to his tail, so I'm going to use a toothbrush and add just a slight texture to it so it's a little bit kind of roughed up. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake him according to package instructions. Once he's cooled down, I'm going to go ahead and add a gloss coat over his eye and his teeth, and that'll just make those glossy. It gives him kind of a wet, shiny look, and it creates more of a contrast between the eyes and the teeth to the rest of the monster. Now that I'm done glossing him, I'm going to let him dry overnight, and then we'll look at the finished monster. All right, I'm really happy how this guy turned out. He was just such a fun little project to do in an afternoon. You can see he's got a little bit of specks on his eyes, and normally, or I shouldn't say normally, that something like that used to bother me, but I'm like, that's really, you know, eyes aren't pure white, so I think that's fine. Anywho's, I looked at this monster, and I don't know why, but he looks like a Clyde, so I'm naming him Clyde. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye.